Okay, right now what he's doing with this homemade mill, this log is going to be the legs for a monstrous picnic table. Which that's going to be the picnic table. It's almost 12 feet long, but 2 of those boards will actually be the top, and then 2 of them will be the seat. Not your standard picnic table sizing, but Ed doesn't like to do anything standard. But so far all this wood for the picnic table has come from property we just bought here in Florida. And a lot of those trees there you're seeing, well, all of them, that's all Hurricane Michael damage from 2018. And that's what a lot of these trees are from. And we know we'll have to seal it. We'll see how it goes. What in the world are you doing right now?
Well, this is how I adjust my height for the thickness of the boards I'm going to cut. Earlier I had the thickness of the ladder in here, so I was cutting real deep. Now I got to make it about a 2-inch board for the legs. So now I'm going to set these so there's 2 inches between. So I get a 2-inch board when I'm done.
Now you made all this. None of this was bought. This is all.
No, this was a $16 Alaskan sawmill. Just 2 pieces of all thread and some scrap lumber that I actually used for concrete forms the day before.
And you learned about the Alaskan sawmill on YouTube, didn't you?
Oh yeah.
Is there any particular channel you can remember, or was it just a whole bunch? You just
probably Wrangler Star. He had bought a Alaskan sawmill, the cheapest one, and was using it. I'm like, well, that's easy enough. So, and so far it's worked pretty good. I got the big slabs cut. I got that edge squared up. So now, like I said, should be a good enough lumber out of that one there to do my legs.
And this is the first project you've done with this mill, the picnic table.
This is the first time I've ever even tried using the mill. And I figured in this case, what's going to hurt if I tear anything up? It's just lumber that's going to get burned or wasted, so might as well make some good out of it. Now this is a little more tedious than the boughten mills. The boughten mills have all marks and measurements, and they're fancy, but this definitely does the job.
Okay, this is the finished picnic table. I'm trying to show you where you can see how big it is. And all of that is from the lumber on this property. Nothing was bought. It did get cut down from 12 feet. I forgot what we measured it at, but it's a really long picnic table and it's extremely tall. When I'm 5'6", and when I sit on it, my feet are about a foot off the ground. We're seeing how those solar lights are. We'll actually mount them in there later. They're kind of working out nice.